Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In this video, we will be discussing the update of Greece planning to acquire 18 Rafale fighters from France and also about the status of Turkey research vessel Oruk Reis in the waters claimed by Greece. We will also understand what other arms and weapons are being procured by Greece to face any threats from Turkey. As mentioned in my previous video, for which I have provided the link below, Greece is in full form to boost its defense capability. To be more precise, Greece is planning to make their Mirage 2000 fleet undergo repairs and maintenance procedures, after which they will be used to guard the Greek skies due to the rising tension between Turkey and Greece. The tensions arose during August 2020 when Turkey sent their research vessel Oruk Reis to map out possible oil and gas drilling prospects in waters which is claimed by Greece and Cyprus. The NATO members Turkey and Greece have overlapping claims to the continental shelves and the rights to potential energy resources in the eastern Mediterranean. Greece has been very cautious and preparing itself to face any type of threats, and as per the latest update, Greece announced on September 12, 2020 about their intention to acquire 18 Rafale fighters in order to boost their air power. As per the contract, which might get finalized very soon, they are also looking for modernization of 10 Mirage 2000 to 2000-5 standard. In addition to the above steps, Greece will be acquiring 4 new frigates and new anti-tank weapons, torpedoes and guided missiles. Not just that, 2 Greek shipyards will be reactivated and the military will be recruiting 15,000 people over the next 5 years. If we quickly see the old order details of French Mirage 2000 fighters, which was done by Greece, they ordered 40 Mirage 2000 in 1985, comprising of 36 single-seat aircraft and 4 two-seat trainers. Later in the year 2000, Greece placed a $1.1 billion order for a batch of 15 new Mirage 2000-5 Mark II fighters and had 10 existing Mirage 2000 EGMs upgraded to Mirage 2000-5 Mark II standard. Not just that, the Hellenic Air Force of Greece also operated 40 Mirage F1 before retiring them. This operational history of French fighters shows the good strategic relationship between Greece and France. As I said before, the reason behind such a fast way of repairing, overhauling, upgrading and purchasing these French fighters by Greece is to be alert and ready for any threats from Turkey. The good news is that, according to the latest update and as per the website Marine Traffic, which tracks the position of ships by satellite, looks like the Turkish seismic research vessel Oruk Reis has returned to waters near the southern province of Antalya. This is indeed a great news for Greece. So Turkey has recently been under intense diplomatic pressure from the European Union, several European states, and the United States, and this decision of taking back their ship is a good decision made by Turkey. So let us hope Greece inducts the Rafale fighters soon and finishes overhauling and upgrading the Mirage 2000 fighters to be all set to face any threat in future. So that was an update on Greece's decision to buy Rafale fighters from France and also to upgrade their Mirage 2000 fighters. We also saw the good news related to Greece, which is the returning of Turkey's seismic research vessel from water which is claimed by Greece. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.